Hey there, plant enthusiasts! In today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 indoor plants that grow beautifully in water. If you're looking for low-maintenance greenery to liven up your space, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. 1. Pothose. Pothose is a plant that requires minimal supervision and can easily grow in bottles and jars. 2. Wandering Jew. The colorful striped plant looks charming in bottles and jars. 3. Watch chain plant. This beautiful plant looks enchanting in a glass jar or bottle. 4. House holly fern. This easy-to-grow plant looks gorgeous in large mason jars. 5. Herbs. Herbs like basil, parsley, chives, cilantro, thyme, and mint can be easily grown in mason jars and glass bottles. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.